Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can make money with Whop Affiliate. So let's jump right in. Once you have a Whop account set up, you can start earning through the affiliate program by navigating to the left side of your dashboard, where a list of icons is located. Hover over and click on the icon labeled Affiliates to access the affiliate section. Whop provides two primary ways to earn, either as a customer or as a creator. If you are a customer, you can earn a 30% commission by promoting products from other creators on the platform. Simply click on the Discover Whops option, where you will find a list of available creators to promote. For instance, selecting a creator like MF Capital will allow you to view their content and generate a personalized affiliate link. You can then share this link across platforms such as social media, websites, or anywhere else that attracts traffic. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you receive a 30% commission from the creator's earnings, not from the buyer. If you are a creator, you can also invite new creators to join Whop through your referral link. Once they sign up and start selling their own digital products, you earn up to 30% of the revenue they generate. This allows you to build a stream of passive income simply by expanding your network. To collect your earnings, you will need to configure your payment settings by clicking on Set up Whop Payments, choosing your country, and selecting an available payment method suitable for your region. After setup, your commissions will be sent directly to you with ease. Whether you are promoting others' products or referring new creators, success with the Whop affiliate program largely depends on sharing your links in places where they will gain the most visibility and